Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to a different lake we haven't went to before, and I don't want to tell you yet, but we're gonna film us in the same moment that we have before. And here we go. We are now done. We are working out, and we're gonna go to our lake now. Well, going to the lake now. Right, Dad?
Yep.
I don't want to tell you what lake we're going to, but a reason why, because I don't even know what it was called. I don't remember.
Yeah, we've never been to this lake. So it'll be a new adventure for both of us.
It will. Oh, turn off now.
We're almost there, baby girl. Tell these subscribers that we got, just how excited do you get every time you see a subscriber?
I turn left. Dad, I just saw a dog pass by us.
Yeah, I've seen it too.
I get very happy and jumpy.
That's awesome.
I get so happy when we get more and more subscribers so we can get the golden play button and the silver and then the glass one.
It'll be a while before that happens, baby girl.
Wait, for some reason it looks like we've been to a lake before.
No, we've never been here, baby girl.
It looks like...
Yep. It's a little sketchy right here, baby girl. Scratch the truck up.
I'm scared we might go into the water.
Oh, I know. We are right on the water. But it's a truck. I'm going to use it like one. Alright guys, we have made it here. Beautiful, beautiful. And there's baby girl.
Dad, is this a grown-up too?
Could be. Got a wiggle tooth?
A little bit. It's kind of wiggly. I didn't have a wiggly tooth for a while yet. Look at all these seashells.
There is a bunch of them.
I like these seashells. A lot of seashells. Honestly, I can find the big one. That is unsafe.
What is? Well, it's a piece of glasses. We'll pick it up on our way back.
Yeah. It's good to be safe. This looks like a block of cheese. There's a hole.
It is a hole.
It looks like a block of cheese. And there's a can.
Yep.
Unsafe, unsafe. Oh, this is white. That's pretty.
That is pretty.
Oh.
It's a beautiful lake, though. I'm glad we're camping on this island.
There's so many fishes. I wish I could pick up all of them and bring them home. And another unsafe glass. Okay, I'm actually gonna just use this one. I've never had this white of a seashell before. It's really nice out here. Dad, look. I can't see.
Yeah, it's from an airplane up in the sky. I don't know if the viewers will be able to see that with the sun, but
Look at all those seashells on that rock. Okay, that's kind of big. It's beautiful out here.
oh, it is absolutely gorgeous.
How can you just step off the color?
God, it's just so horrible that so many people come out here and they litter. I know, I see it. It's
What?
awful.
So can we at least pick up the glass over there, because that's the most unsafe thing.
Yeah, we'll come back and pick some of this stuff and get rid of it.
More and more and more. Oh, there's another one.
Yep.
Oh, look, Dad. Come on. Ah. Daddy, can you come?
Yeah.
Hold on. That's really beautiful. How about Lincoln too?
What do you think, babe girl? You like this spot?
Yeah. This looks like it got burnt.
You might have.
Wait, but I thought you said we were gonna pick up the glass when we go back, so we need to go back down here.
So what I've been told, guys, is we are currently on Goose Island. I don't know how. Breaking rocks. I don't know the whole story behind it or whatever, but it's awesome out here. Yep, I see him. Alright, guys, well, we're here. We're all set up now, and this place is beautiful. What do you think, babe girl?
It's very beautiful. I found a baby clam. Cute.
It's a little one.
Let's go put it in the water.
What you cooking, baby girl?
I am making some smokies. Yum.
Yummy. Smokies at the lake.
Oh, yeah. I can't let go of the pole.
You got it, baby girl. It's supposed to go out that way.
I know that. Can you like throw? Oh, I almost got caught on that. you see that? I almost got caught in that.
Yeah, I seen it.
That was pretty good.
That was a very good cast.
Here, I will go. Let me find something. That is a perfecto. Why am I going too fast, sorry?
You're fine.
Something touched me. Wait, no, I'm not gonna get caught. I know it's somewhere to try. Oh, sorry. Like, give this fish time to come. Wait, the fish might be coming.
You gotta reel it in to find out, baby girl.
I'm gonna look now. See? There's a high spot. I'm gonna go here and then try to go all the way down there to fish. Right there.
Okay. Careful.
Oh, it falls on the edge. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Right?
Yeah.
Look. That's gonna get. Oh, you can see a truck right there.
Yep, it is down there.
Yeah, that's not good. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. So we went all the way up there, and we could have just came all the way down here?
Yes.
Wait, but Dad, I thought we already came down here.
I think we did once.
Fish.
See your fish?
I saw one. Come on, make it complete. Dad, look, it's like a pumpkin, Dad.
Oh, it's just beautiful, baby girl.
Yeah!
Baby girl, you excited for that campfire?
Yeah. I'm the queen of the fire.
You're so silly. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. This place was absolutely amazing. If you guys get a chance to come out and check out Goose Island, highly recommend it. And we will definitely be out here doing some more exploring.
It is so beautiful out here. I found so many seashells, found some rocks, and we found a turtle in the water, but we didn't get a really close look at it, though. And we found some feathers.
Alright, comment, like, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.